Most traders overcomplicate breakout systems, too many indicators, too much guessing. In this tutorial, we'll keep it simple. You'll see exactly how to build a gold breakout bot that trades one clean logic, an inside bar at 2 a.m. We'll break down every block, from weekday filters to pending orders and position management, so by the end, you'll understand the full system and can modify it yourself.
You see here, quickly going through the rationale of this viable gold trading system. We are looking here simply at 2 a.m. every day. Let's check out the left-hand side. If every weekday, it's probably always given. So from Monday to Friday, this connection will be triggered. This one would have been triggered if it's not a weekday, but it's not connected anywhere. Hence, nothing is happening. And then we simply check out. Let's actually pause it right here and zoom in to get a practical example. These two blocks is defining an inside bar. So now when we check it out here on the right hand side, you see the inner mechanics of these blocks on our canvas. The first one is checking the candle high of candle ID 2, candle high with candle ID 1, and also the candle low with candle ID 2 smaller than candle ID with number 1. Now let's put it in practice. Let's assume that we don't know yet the future, and we also ignore this candle. We are currently sitting exactly at this candle, so it's looking back at candle ID 1. So let's say this is a Wednesday candle. This is Tuesday. This is Monday. Tuesday is candle ID 1. Monday is candle ID number 2. And what these blocks very fairly simple defined, that the candle high of this candle has to be lower than the candle high of this candle, and the candle low of that candle of Tuesday has to be higher than the candle low of the Monday candle ID 2. In that case, it was the case, so that is why it was placing the pending orders around this area, and the system is banking on the outbreaks to the upside or downside. What we are then checking is, do we have more than 5 open trades or 5 pending orders placed, just to keep the system in check and not expose our trading account to too much risk. Obviously, you can change this yourself by getting access to this trading bot for free down below in the video description. The only thing we ask from you is having a chat about your pain points, how you structure your trading bot journey, how you get your trading bots from, how you source your trading bot ideas as well. We're curious where you're coming from. You get access for completely free. Then not only to Profectus.ai, but also to this very viable gold trading bot. And also, to not give too much juice away right away in this video, I will not explain these pending orders in depth. For now, you can check it out yourself when you get your hands on this execution file, and then you can also run it yourself on MetaTrader 5. Now, when I zoom out just by a little bit, you will see we have a similar logic for Monday trades. There's a specific rationale behind it, explaining it later on in our article center on the website of Profectus.ai. You also see on the right hand side that we have management in place. So you can use this management, or simply also use management that you want to code up yourself, or quickly showing you the templates when you are simply lacking ideas for certain management approaches. You can also use the ones we have on the left hand side, click apply template, and then you see it's popping up right here on your canvas. Or you can code it from scratch, go to the block section, and then you can also go for block by block drag and dropping and build not only the whole strategy, but also your own management style, exiting style, profits and losses. But I think a very nice way to kick it off with Profectus AI, which is completely free, by the way, is to simply get into the blocks, the mechanics of this trading system, and simply play around with changing the mechanics of how trades are being taken. For example, based on the inside bar, maybe you want to add your indicator, which you can easily do when I drag it a little bit more over to here. You see here, maybe you want to actually check the indicator of the moving average has to be high of the candle high. That's a little bit random, but this is like things you can really check, and you can also code up your own strategy or simply kick it off with this template. Maybe just to give you one idea what you could actually do, what I find very interesting and very tempting. When we let this system run for a bit, this green curve is the unrealized losses and profits, and the blue line is the realized losses and profits. So you see, very stable. The equity curve is actually higher. So it simply means you have a lot of floating profits because the system simply let winners run. It's simply not realizing these kind of winners. And then what you can actually try to, for instance, avoid these kind of steep drawdowns to ensure that the system is reeling in profits earlier on than the, for instance, 1-to-3 ratio. You simply say, maybe I want to reel in profits already at 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. Or maybe there's even some potential for a scalping system, right? And you go very low with reeling in profits. You go on lower time frames. Right now, the system is running on the daily time frame, which is usually also best practice because these kind of systems are more stable over time than on lower time frames due to fewer noise. But these are just the many ideas you can go for, and you can actually go for it by just checking out the link down below in the video description to get access to this beautiful trading bot and dip your toes the very first time without coding whatsoever into algorithmic trading. It's really easy. You simply download the source file and apply it on MetaTrader 5. I think this is really cool that you don't need to bother with coding. You simply need an idea. And thanks to Profectus AI, you don't even need an idea anymore. You can simply start with, for instance, this gold trading bot, or with the many templates we also have here. We have a breakout strategy, which is a viable approach, and the momentum strategy based on Great British Pound US dollar. So there's definitely something for all of you. And first of all, congratulations. I know there's a lot of distraction nowadays, particularly on YouTube. If this is the very first time you are hearing about trading bots or algorithmic trading, Profectus AI is the perfect way to kick off your trading bot journey. We provide you not only the educational part of things, it's also for completely free. So you can actually dip your toe and see if you like it or not. You can also really rocket start your trading bot journey because you don't need an idea at